2021. Like I told you, we have a tour here at Afajatu South, Liati Wote in the Volta region, West Africa. So today, as you can see, I am right here in Liati Wote in the Volta region. This is one of the beauties we have here. Right behind me, at that far end, is the Afajatu mountain, which is the highest in West Africa. It's right behind me, so we are hiking it. We are just on our way, just about to start the hike. Follow us as we discover the mountain together. Last time we were here, we showed you the video. Today we are here again, but today is a holiday and there are so many people here today. So we'll get to the hike side. After the hiking, we'll come down to the waterfall and we'll cool down there with the showering of the waterfall. That is the beauty. Stay tuned as we bring you the more videos. Thank you. Bye. Hey, what up? So we are here right now at Aflama. We are climbing the mountain. Woo! Hey yo, we niggas say yo. Go! Hey. Are they climbing? Let's go now. Yes. Afajatu means mountain, right? Yeah. Afaja.
Oh, Afajatu. Hi.
Video. Keep going. Don't stop. The someone is just saying keep going. And we are still going. Getting there. All we hear is halfway there. Keep going. But now, when shall we get there? I'm going home. I need a doctor. I need a doctor. We are really on the fucking mountain, man. We are on the fucking mountain. The mountain is really hard, man, but we conquer it, man. See, we are here right here in the Afajatu Volta region for life. Everything bad. All by the grace of God. What up, guys? We are live here at Afajatu Mountain, West Africa. Volta region for live. Ghana for you. Man, For the SM for life, Volta region, West Africa, Ghana. Welcome to Afajato Mountain. We conquer the mountain, man. We start to. I'm happy, man. Guys, Volta region for life. The hope of tourism. I know my level. I know my level. I know my level. I know my level. Don't sing this song.
Okay, still on.
You're fair to decide. Tell my brother whether you can go or you return.
We are halfway there. The mountain is really tough, but I bet you it's worth climbing. Yeah, so just take a weekend tour like this. Today is a weekend. Today is a holiday. We are here right now at Liati, Wote in the Volta region, Afajato South District. We are here at Tagbo Falls and Afajato Mountain. So we are here to have a holiday weekend here. So this is just a fun tour. So you can actually subscribe to the channel, like the video and share it for others to see the expedition here. Thank you all and stay tuned. No, climb on 20 times in a day. Climb descent.
Just told the person go to me. Just told the person to kill me. Let me down. I've accepted my fate. I want to die. If they talk you say 20 times a day.
If they say 20 times, you go climb this mountain, it will shock you.
That's what I say. If I phone football team, if you don't go fit climb this mountain, then you don't go enter. You don't go join. I'm going to take helicopter go to the top. The people will come. And the green soldiers too. Mama, send doctors. Carry me home. Come and carry me home. I want to go back home. Oh. I want to go back home. Mama, where are you? I want to go home. Take me back home. Boys, don't give up.
So you can see, we are on top of the mountain, Afajato Mountain here in the Volta region, West Africa. So you can see it's a very beautiful landscaping here. So you can see a vast landscaping of mountains and plainlands, very beautiful. So here in the Volta region, the hiking is worth it, I bet you. You love doing this. Yeah. Welcome from the hike.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you can see there are a lot of hikers here today. You are welcome from the hike. Yeah.
Well done.
The battery now you put the waterfall.
I know.
30 seconds in, I'm a new light. Never waste your brain, it's a powerful thing. This is from my level, my level, conscious street
Finally, we made it.
Yeah, super tired.
I'm so tired.
So, can you make it?
Oh, make it, they will make it. But the time.
We're almost
cannot
there. Just have to
come this far to just come and stuck here.
Yeah.
Really make it.
We are almost home, man. We're just coming down. The hiking is really worth it. You can see how I'm sweating and panting. Yeah. Right now we are heading straight to the waterfall, the Tagbo waterfall.
Yay!
The hiking is really worth it.
Oh! Are you saying we are not even 30 minutes?
No, we are about 20 minutes walk.
To the place?
Yeah, 20 minutes. And when you get to the top, it's lovely.
Yeah, sure it's 20 minutes. Some people said we are very far away.
No, you are not. You're almost there.
So they were the negativity one.
Okay. They're just trying to scare you.
Why? You said we are what, 20 minutes away?
About.
Hey!
So
we got only 20 minutes.
It's worth it when you get there. Same time again.
Have you back?
Yeah.
Come on. Once this lady is going, I'll go.
I'm looking for someone to carry me at the back.
Regina, let's go. Regina.
Charlie, if I suck this water, I go die.
Africa! Water is for life! Yeah, I'm your DJ. If I die today, Okay, listen to this one from Stoneboy. Volta regime for life. Another one. All over.
Artists are artists. Life where me living can no say me not pass it. My kush expensive so me not pass it. Drop a hit song next thing bang they pass it. Careful how you switch don't test me pass it. Them can't put me back the seat. Them laugh. They get them say shit. I want it look classy. Everywhere me go, one man a dust. They see me buy them a drive and come. When me buy the property me buy them guns. When I come from downtown to uptown. See them tears them frown. Sorry, say me never want to move with clouds. In my town, we call them John and Ryan, so them can't take me crap.
Tell everybody your money should make people go home. Naramale no fault. Oh, Naramale, see what you do. See what Naramale no do.
This girl from IT, she be so bad.
Hello guys. So as you can see, we are just back from Afajatu mountain. We went to on top of the mountain right there. So we just descended there, and after descending we went straight to the waterfall, just had a fresh up, and we are back at the reception. So this is the tour for today. The hiking was Afajatu mountain, and the waterfall, Tagbo waterfall, the highest waterfall and tallest mountain in West Africa. It's a beautiful experience. You can do same one weekend. Just come to hike, to have a refreshing of your body. It's very beautiful. Do this, and please don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe to the channel. We are bringing you more videos from the Volta region, Afajatu South. Thank you, and stay tuned.
Asome.
Stop it. Come here, let's get going. Video stage that they had the last time in here.